Kaiya campers, my name is Miss Kaiya, and today we'll be making another treat. Today's treat will be no bake cinnamon rolls. For this treat, you will need white bread, sugar, powdered sugar, butter and cinnamon, a plate, and 2 small bowls, a knife, and a measuring spoon, and this measuring spoon is 1 tablespoon, and a Ziploc bag. Before we start, make sure that your surface is clean and that you also wash your hands. And the very first step is we're going to take out 5 slices of bread and just sit them on our table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all the bread you need, so once you're done, you can set the bread aside. The next step is once you have your slices of bread, you just have to pat them down so that they're flat. So just like this, flat, and you do that to all your bread. And make sure that they are as flat as possible. You could just line them up. And they should look more like this. The next step is, you have to get your butter and one of the small bowls that you have. And we need to cut our butter so that it's 2 tablespoons of butter. So I already have it cut here, and this is 2 tablespoons of butter. And now that we have our butter in the bowl, we have to melt the butter. So I'm going to put it in the microwave for 45 seconds, and I'll be back. While that's in the microwave, we're going to make our cinnamon sugar mix. So you'll need your Ziploc bag, and the cinnamon sugar mix is going to go inside the Ziploc bag. So I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of sugar, and pour into the Ziploc bag. Depending on how much you make, that's how much cinnamon sugar you need. So I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Then once we have the cinnamon and sugar inside of the bag, we just mix it up and you shake it really good to make sure that it's completely mixed. So I ended up adding 3 more tablespoons of sugar and 1 more tablespoon of cinnamon. So in total, you should have 5 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And it should look like this once you're finished mixing. So once the melted butter is done, we have to butter up each slice of bread. So I'm going to pour butter on each piece of bread. I'm just going to use the back of this to spread it around. So once you have all the butter spread out on your bread, you now have to get your cinnamon sugar. And we're going to pour cinnamon sugar on each slice of bread. And you can put however much cinnamon sugar you want. Just making sure that I cover the whole slice of bread with cinnamon sugar. And I'm also going to use the back of this again to spread the cinnamon sugar out even more to make sure that it's covering all of the bread. So once you put all the cinnamon sugar on it, it should look a little like this. The next step is we're going to roll the bread all together. So you go for one side of the bread and you just roll it this way. And when you roll it, you have to make sure that it's tightly rolled. And it'll look like this once you finish rolling it. And we're going to do that for all of our slices of bread. Rolling it tight will make sure that none of the cinnamon and sugar fall out of the bread. So I have all of these rolled up. Now what I'm going to do next is get my knife. And you'll probably need a really sharp knife for this so it's easier to cut. So be careful when using this or ask someone older to help you. And we're going to cut each piece of bread in 3 different parts. Once you have your rolled slice, we're going to cut it like that. So each piece of bread should be rolled into 3 parts just like this. And we're going to do that for all the other breads. So once you have all the breads cut, now we're going to get our plate and we're going to put them all on the plate. And we have to sit them up this way so that the roll is facing the top. And we just sit all of them out on the plate like that. You can cut the ends off the bread, but that'll make it more toasty if you keep them all on. And now I have them laid out like this. And I'm going to put these in the microwave for 30 seconds. When they come out the microwave, make sure you have someone older to help you because the plate comes out hot and the cinnamon rolls are also really hot. And once you have them out all together, I just put them all into one section so it'll be easier to apply the icing. But they're all rolled up on the plate like this. And they're like mini cinnamon rolls. And we can set that plate aside and now we're going to make icing for the cinnamon rolls. So your second bowl is for the icing. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar inside of this bowl. And then a half a tablespoon of water to mix in this. And you could use water or milk for this step, whatever you prefer for icing. And once we have the powdered sugar and water in here, we're just going to mix it all up. So once it's mixed, the consistency should be like this, just like vanilla icing. And now that we have our icing and our cinnamon rolls, we're just going to drizzle this icing on top of all the mini cinnamon rolls that we have. And you can put as much icing on it as you like. And this part is optional, but if you want, you can sprinkle any of the rest of cinnamon sugar that you had. You can sprinkle it on top of your cinnamon roll. So it can taste more cinnamony. This is how they should look once you have the icing and cinnamon on them. And if you notice, mine start to come apart a little bit, but they can easily go together with all the icing. So they can easily be put together. But this is like how some of them look. So now that they're all done, we're going to try one together. I'm going to try this one. And they taste better when they are warm, so it's most likely better to try them when they're still warm but a little cooled off. So this is a really quick and easy snack to make, And these are just mini ones, but if you like, you can always make bigger ones, or you can make as many as you want. And you can put anything else you want on them. And they taste really good. So if you like your normal cinnamon rolls, then these will be perfect for you. So I hope you enjoyed today's treat, mini no-bake cinnamon rolls, and I'll be back with another treat next week. Bye!